Hey there, have you ever wondered how to achieve healthy hair without spending hours in front of the mirror? Well, you're not alone. In fact, many people struggle with maintaining healthy hair due to their busy schedules. But today, I'm going to share a secret with you, a quick and easy 5-minute hair care routine that will leave your hair looking and feeling healthy. First off, let's talk about the importance of washing your hair. Washing your hair too much or too little can actually damage your hair. So, the key is to wash your hair every other day using lukewarm water, to prevent it from drying out. Next up, use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to ensure that your hair stays healthy and nourished. Regular sulfate-based shampoos and conditioners can strip the natural oils from your hair, which can leave it dry and damaged. After you're done washing your hair, gently towel dry your hair and avoid rubbing your hair with the towel. This can cause split ends and damage your hair in the long run. Instead, try to blot and squeeze out any excess water. Now, it's time to apply some leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner helps to moisturize your hair and keep it soft and smooth. It also helps to protect your hair from heat damage if you use styling tools such as a straightener or curling iron. Simply apply the leave-in conditioner to your damp hair, focusing on the ends of your hair where it is most prone to damage. Finally, brush your hair with a wide-toothed comb or a paddle brush to avoid breakage. And that's it. Your hair is now healthy, nourished and ready to rock. So, there you have it, a simple and easy 5-minute hair care routine that you can do without spending hours in front of the mirror. Try to incorporate these tips into your routine and watch as your hair transforms from lackluster to healthy and shiny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on hair care. And, be sure to share this video with your friends and family who are struggling to maintain healthy hair. Thanks for watching.